So everybody, right now, it's my new work for the day. It's a lot of stuff in here. Just knocked on the whole wall. So basically, I'm putting that whole sheetrock up right now. And there's a lot of work to be done here. Look, knocked on this door. Gotta do this in here. Gotta do a lot of stuff in here. This closet in here. How bad this looks. Cobwebs and everything. This is a bad apartment, bro. This one bad apartment, like real bad. This is like the worstest apartment I ever built that I'm working on right now. My pops in right there. Look how bad the bathtub looks. Oh, look at that. This is not good at all. Yeah, everything needs to be repaired here. Yeah. Alright, so basically I covered this big hole that I showed you earlier that was there. I also covered this big hole right there. I also put plastic around here. And I covered all this right here as well. So later on I'll sand it down and everything's gonna look brand new. And so well here, it's looking good so far. So yeah. Okay, so my work for the day is to pick out. See, I already did all this right here. I did all this right here. So my work for the day is to start breaking up these things, picking up all these rubbles, and start sanding down what I've done. So yeah, it's gonna be a B today. But hey, as long as everything gets done little by little, yeah. And then I got all this garbage as well that I gotta throw out right here. All this debris, these doors. And start fixing things in here little by little. Then I got these right here, these wooden tiles that I gotta put in these kitchens. These are wooden panel tiles. I gotta break these floors up and put some plywood, and then I gotta put these panels as well. So that's in the end. I'll do all that, but for then, this is what I gotta do. Got all my tools and I'm ready to work. Well, right now I just sanded the crap out of this these plasters. It's nice and straight now. Beautiful. It's mad cloudy in here. Whew. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera, but yeah, I use my little sander right here. That's why it's good to have your own tools. You can do whatever you want. Yeah. Now it's time for me to paint. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint all the closets. Then I'm gonna start painting everything else little by little. Yeah, let me get out of here. It's too foggy in here. Yeah. Right now I'm turning this closet into brand new. It was so, you see how black and dirty it was? It was cobwebs, everything up there. And now I painted it white, gave it the first coat. And I knocked down some boards, and this is what I got plastered right now with this. Is what I'm doing right now. And the floors is bad, so I gotta have to put some nice tiles up in here too. So you see this closet looking like this for now, and then in a moment, it'll be looking official, so yeah. And now I'm gonna gap that up there and then knock this down right here and a whole bunch of other stuff. So, well, I'm not gonna knock this down, I'm just gonna seal that up. I'll probably put a label over there, who knows, whatever my boss wants me to do, but other than that, yeah. So right now I'm working on some paints. As you can see, this paint right here is the story behind it. Is two old folks lived here and they haven't painted this for 20 years. And I guess they haven't cleaned anything because there was cobwebs everywhere, and I had to do a lot of work in here. So basically, yeah, I don't know what design was this right here when they did it with plaster, but it was ugly. So, well, there's a lot of dust in this room for sure. But you see this room right now, and in a little while, Probably later on, once I finish all the whites, it's gonna look better. I'm gonna show you from the two tones, and it's gonna look cool. Okay, so remember that nasty closet I was doing? Look how beautiful it looks now. But there's one thing, after I took off all the cobwebs and then I discovered that, look at this, a whole bunch of cobwebs everywhere. And if you see, there's a spider right there, and there's another one right up there. Yeah. I checked, it's not black widows, it's called mommy long legs. Instead of daddies. It's mommy long legs. And look, there's another mommy long leg here. That's a baby long leg right there. Right there. It's a baby long leg. It goes a daddy long leg there, and there goes a mommy long leg up here. So, and I don't know what the hell kind of thing right there is that, but yeah. I gotta take all these cobwebs down so you can see real clearly. Look at these cobwebs, look at that. Wow. Well, today I'm working in ceilings. As you can see, 20 years without painting this apartment. Look how bright my color is compared to the ceiling. And this is the kitchen. I'm working on the kitchen today. See, I hit all this the cabinets up. So, oh wow. Hit all the cabinets up. I gotta do edges now. Let this dry for a few. I sprayed this right here because every time I hit it up with the white, it'll come back out again. Like some brown color, like stains, whatever, oil, whatever they have there. But after I let this dry right here, it's like a primer. I'll hit it up again and it'll be nice and white. Then I gotta throw this out and get a new stove for I can install it. Actually, nobody else is helping me, so yeah. So it's looking good now. Knocked down the bell that was there and a whole bunch of stuff. Today I'm installing doors. See, as you can see, I made a hole on the door, and on this side, I'm installing the doorknobs. This door came without nothing, so I had to make my extra side denters for the hinges. And as you can see, all the doors, they come in without no holes or nothing. Everything just comes just one piece. I gotta cut the top piece, measure the door, and all this other stuff, which I just did. Right now, I just made the holes, so take this off, and my hole came out real perfect. Look at that. Yeah. So after that, I install my the doorknobs, which this one is for the hallways, closets, and all right, this is it. And from there, it's gonna be awesome. Here I'm installing light fixtures. I had took this old one out. And I'm installing the new ones. I got a whole bunch of boxes here I gotta install. I gotta install this one up here. I gotta install that one up there. I gotta install this one over here, and there's also a special guest helping me today. Hi, special guest.
Hello.
Hello, special guest. I gotta install that one too. I gotta shut this circuit power off first. But for now, let me just finish this one right here. Everything else is cool. Still a lot of things we're doing here. But yeah, everything on everything is cool. Once I already install that one, all I have to do is screw it in the ceiling. Once I turn this on, it goes on. So turn it off, power off. Okay, so basically it's Saturday, and today's my work is I already cleaned up all this up. I already cleaned everything up. Remember, there was a big trash and a whole bunch of debris everywhere. The light fixtures are all put up already. All I have to do is put the glass on. I put all 5 light fixtures yesterday. And I gotta put the tiles tomorrow Well, I cleaned the crap out of this toilet. This toilet was so bad. Well, hold up, it's a cigarette butt. Put a new seat. Hooked up the sink. This right here, you see how dirty this is? I'm gonna repaint everything brand new. The tiles is looking good. Things looking good. The walls. Now I gotta clean this place up right here, this room. And once I'm done, tomorrow I'll put the poly and everything will look brand new. I gotta do the bottoms right now, the edges, and everything will look cool after this. So I gotta put this door up as well. Oh man. So today I'm making holes and putting up doors, making holes in doors. And yeah, so basically I use this right here. This is a door maker, door hole maker. And this is the part of the door which I just took off right now. I gotta take this bottom piece off and take this piece that was in here. And I got more doors to put in as well. I've already put this door in. Got another door over there. This door been here already for a while. So yeah, here goes the other side of the panels that I put for the hallway. So I didn't put that in the video yesterday. So far, yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. Listening to my jazz. Okay, so basically right now, I'm putting on the wooden floor panels, tiles. And I got my monkey right here. And she's playing with her toes. Putting glue, and I'm putting these panels. And it's actually a bead cut, but I had cut some cylinders round. So everything looks good. I'm doing this side as well. I got a little weight to support it down. Listening to Juan Luis Guerra's. So I got this right here as well, which I got these saddles to put on the edge after I'm finished. Once it dries, it takes a day to dry. So yeah, so it's looking good. We got a whole bunch of these boxes right here, so let's see if that's enough. It should be enough. So yeah, it's real expensive, these stupid boxes, but at least it's looking good. Okay, so I finished the apartment. This is how it's looking. The floor is a little wet because I mopped it. This is the entrance closet, and this is how everything looks. From the way it was before, everything looks way better now. Everything, even new light fixtures and everything. So this is how everything looking. Look how nice the bathtub came out. Yeah, everything looks fresh. Now look at this. This is the room that was completely destroyed. Everything looks good. That hole that was in the wall is gone. That big monster hole. Yeah, so everything looks cool. Oh, this is the other closet as well. It looks good. So there you go.